Alright, before I go over there and check out the third gen, let's check out this second gen real quick here. Believe it's an 80. Not sure. If not, you can let me know in the comments. Put the nose to it. So this was an abandoned project, man. All new. Well, they had new aftermarket floors were put in. Looks like they got in over their heads. You can see it's a Southwest Classic there. It's a local restoration or speed, what do you call it, store where you can buy a bunch of parts from them, you know. Yeah. I looked in here just a minute ago and found this. I don't know if I can get it to work. It's a Husky. Is that made in the US? Extension. Tray. An open deck. I didn't want to make a separate video on this one. There's not much left on this car. But I thought I'd just throw it in there with that third gen. Made in Taiwan. Yeah. Thought this was neat. Dirección General de Aduanas. I think that's how it said. 1990 Turista. Seems like the owner of this took this into Mexico back in 90. Oh, some previous owner anyways. Alright, I thought it was pretty cool to see that though. I've never seen that before. Alright, let's check out this third gen real quick here. I believe it's an 89. 07. It's been off the road a good while. Pretty straight car though. Could have turned this into a drag car. Got a full set of the wheels there. Actually, it's got a fifth one over there, right over there. It's an RS, obviously, you can tell. The interior. I mean, this is like another abandoned project. They took this thing, started taking a bunch of crap apart. See, not in bad shape. Around the other way. It's down there. Wiring, a battery, the seat, power. Here's the dash. There's this door panel. Crate full of stuff. Some more crap. Spare. Seems to be a steel one. I wish it was aluminum. No codes. And these are Mastercraft. gauges. Got the RPO codes there. That's spare parts because it's not missing its tail lights. Alright. Let's take a look real quick under the hood. Looked like they had crap. V8 says it's 5.0 1989. Wow. Well, I mean, somewhat all there. Quick look underneath. I don't think I can see much under here. Let's see. Alright, man, that's gonna do it. That's gonna do it for this one. 89 Camaro. Soon to be crushed, I think. Pretty sure. They're not gonna, I don't think they'll hold on to this one. And I'm pretty sure they'll crush that second gen over there. So, alright, man. I'm out of here.